Have you ever noticed how some people instantly feel calmer when they start cleaning or organizing, while others feel stressed the moment they see a messy room? It might seem like two completely different reactions, but interestingly, both responses come from the same place in the brain. And the real reason behind it might surprise you. Enjoying organization isn't just about liking things to be neat. Often it's about restoring a sense of control. When life feels unpredictable or chaotic, the brain naturally searches for something stable. Organizing physical spaces becomes a simple way to create order in the outside world when things feel scattered on the inside. Think about it. After a long, stressful day, you might suddenly feel the urge to tidy a drawer, rearrange your desk, or wipe down the kitchen counter. That feeling of relief afterward isn't random. It's your brain trying to regulate itself. There's real science behind this. Every time you complete a small task, like making your bed or putting items back where they belong, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical associated with reward and motivation. It's the brain's way of saying, good job. At the same time, a clean and organized environment can reduce levels of cortisol, the hormone linked to stress. That lighter, calmer feeling after cleaning isn't just psychological, it's biological, but the story goes even deeper than that. Your subconscious mind treats your surroundings as signals of safety. When your environment is cluttered, your brain constantly registers unfinished tasks. To some people, those small reminders quietly build up into mental noise. For individuals who experience emotions very intensely, that background noise can become overwhelming. Organizing then becomes less about appearance and more about creating mental peace. It's a way to make the mind feel quieter and safer. For others, organization is a form of self-expression. Their living space becomes a kind of canvas. The way books are arranged, how plants are placed, or how furniture is positioned becomes a reflection of personality and creativity. And for many people, the simple act of sorting, sweeping, or arranging things creates a rhythm that feels almost meditative. It allows the mind to slow down without requiring complete stillness. There's also an emotional side to organizing that many people don't talk about. Letting go of objects often mirrors letting go of parts of our past. When you donate old clothes, throw away broken items, or release things you no longer use, you're doing something symbolic. You're quietly telling yourself that you're ready to move forward. That's why decluttering can sometimes feel strangely emotional. It's not just about the items themselves. It's about the memories, identities, and stories attached to them. In many ways, your environment reflects your inner world. A clean, organized space can send a subtle message to your mind. You're capable, you're in control. A chaotic space can sometimes reinforce the feeling of being overwhelmed. So cleaning and organizing become more than chores. They become a way to shift your internal dialogue, changing what is happening outside in order to influence how you feel inside. Because organizing isn't really about the objects at all. It's about making decisions. This matters. This stays. This no longer serves me. Every shelf, drawer, or corner you arrange becomes a small step toward the kind of atmosphere you want in your life, clear, calm, and intentional. So the next time you notice yourself feeling better after organizing something, don't dismiss it as something small. What you're experiencing is a real form of self-care where your mind and body are working together to create balance. Peace isn't always something you discover somewhere else. Sometimes it's something you slowly build, one small task at a time. This is Mind Sparks, where we don't just talk about psychology. We expose it. If you're ready to heal deeper, think sharper, and understand yourself beyond surface level advice, subscribe now. Because the next video might explain the pattern you've been stuck in your entire life. Until then, stay aware, stay conscious, and keep sparking your mind.